Hey Alejandro, I am very hungry. It's almost 1 o'clock. Let's prepare lunch together. Great idea, Aaron. What do you want to cook today? Let's make chicken white rice and a big salad. It is my favorite food. Do we have the ingredients? I don't know. Let's check the chicken, Aaron. What food do we have in the fridge? Mm, Let me see. Well, there I come chicken, but we don't have any vegetables. Are there any tomatoes? No, there aren't any tomatoes. And there isn't any lettuce for the salads. We need to buy a lot of vegetables. Okay, what about drinks? Do you have any soda or ice? What do you drink something cold? No, I don't drink soda because it has a lot of sugar. But there is some water and we have a lot of orange. We can make fresh orange juice. Perfect. I love orange juice. Now, what do you have in the cupboard? Is there any rice? Let me check. Yes, there is a lot of rice, but we don't have any oil to cook the chicken. Oh, you're right. Do we need any salt or pepper? No, there is some salt and pepper here. What else do we want to buy? I want to buy some fruit for dessert. Do we have any apples or bananas? There are some bananas, but there aren't any apples. I want to buy green apples and maybe some chocolate. Sounds delicious. So our own shopping list we have tomatoes, lettuce, oil, green apples and chocolates. Yes, why do we need to buy any onions or garlic for the chicken? Good question. Let me look. There are some onions, boy, but we don't have any garlic. Please add garlic to the list. Don, do you want to go to the supermarket now? Yes, let's go. What supermarket do you want to visit? Let's go to the big supermarket near the park. There have a lot of fresh food. Okay, perfect. Do you have any reusable bags? Yes, I have some bags in my bag. Let's go buy our food.